Welcome to our 8th annual day celebration. Parents are requested not to come forward to click videos or photographs of their ward during the entire program as it is recorded and screened. Parents are also requested to keep their mobile phones on the silent mode. Cafeteria is open, but no eatables are allowed in the auditorium. Thank you.
A very good evening to our respected dignitaries, dear teachers, parents, and my wonderful friends. A warm smile and a heartfelt welcome to one and all present here today.
We, Shriyandarvi and Lavanya Singh, are absolutely thrilled and deeply honored to welcome you to the Grade 3 and 4 Annual Day celebrations of GCC International School, Mira Road. Today is a truly special milestone as we come together to celebrate our 8th Annual Day, a joyful journey of learning, creativity and growth. This vibrant occasion is a reflection of our students' enthusiasm, talent and hard work, and we are delighted to have you with us to witness this memorable celebration. A heartfelt welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Gowde, our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sushmi Vinay, our Primary In Charge, Mrs. Nikita Durgale Ma'am, our Pre-Primary In Charge, Mrs. Riddhi Sarvaiya, and our Primary Grade In Charges.
A big round of applause for our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff who sow the seeds of knowledge, nurture young minds, and help our children bloom every day.
And now, the strongest roots of our school, our dear parents. You are the soil that provides strength, love, and nourishment to these young saplings.
As rightly said, behind every child who believes in themselves is a parent who believes first.
On behalf of GCC International School, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all parents for your trust, support, and partnership. Together, we help our children grow, not just academically, but emotionally and morally too.
As we move ahead this evening, let us reflect on our theme, Roots of Virtue and Wings of Wisdom. It reminds us that values give us strong roots, while wisdom helps us rise and explore the world with confidence. Under this beautiful theme, our title for today is From Soil to Soul. This presentation shows how care, patience and love pass from one soul to another. Just like a seed grows into a strong tree with proper nurturing, our school shapes young minds with knowledge and values.
I request your parents kindly stand for the lighting of the banner.
The lamp symbolizes knowledge, wisdom, and the power to illuminate the path toward a brighter tomorrow. Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a wonderful beginning. Now, I request the dignitaries to kindly take their seat. We now begin this beautiful journey of our theme, Roots of Virtue and Wings of Wisdom, and bring to life our title, From Soil to Soul. through the inspiring performances of our talented students.
Hello everyone, I am the nature's fairy, the voice of the soil and the whisper of growing life. Every fruit, every grain has a story, but we often forget to listen. Today, a small mistake will help us learn a big lesson about food, care and respect. Today, I will tell you a story of a small fruit that began as a tiny seed. Watch closely, open your heart and let nature show you its journey.
अरे अरे अरे, ये क्या हो गया? ओ माय डियर फ्रूट, तुम्हें यहाँ किसने फेंका?
Sorry, farmer uncle, it's my mistake.
मिस्टेक? बेटा मिस्टेक is when you drop your pencil. This is food, खाना, भोजन. You must treat it with respect.
But uncle, it's just a fruit.
Just a fruit? बेटा, एक फ्रूट के पीछे पूरी कहानी होती है.
We didn't mean to waste it.
I told you didn't mean to waste it. But do you know how a fruit grows?
No.
Oh my! Then let me tell you. This tiny seed has had a bigger adventure than all of you put together. It started as a tiny seed, so tiny even ants look bigger than it.
Oh, really?
Yes, it was buried in dark soil, all alone.
Wow, brave seed.
Brave and patient, it drank rain, soaked in sunlight, survived storms, and one day, pop, a tiny sprout appeared.
We didn't know that the fruit has such a long journey.
Every fruit, every grain, every vegetable has a story. And do you know what the story teaches us?
What, uncle?
Hope, patience, courage, hard work, and respect for food.
So when we waste food, we waste all of that?
Exactly. This tiny thing holds life inside it. Today, you won't just hear its journey. You will see it and maybe learn from it too.
Yes, we will want to see it.
Then get ready because the journey of the seed begins now.
And so, with one caring farmer and a curious group of children, a new journey begins. A tiny seed, small enough to fit in a hand, has a powerful story inside it. A story of patience, hard work, and hope. Let us watch as the children prepare to learn the seed's journey unfold. We too get ready to learn how every little thing in nature deserves our love and respect. Every small journey begins with a small step. Before a plant can grow tall and strong, it must first feel safe and cared for. Just like children need love and guidance, the seed too needs the right beginning.
Kiddos, let me show you the first and the most important step. बीज कैसे बोया जाता है?
Can we just throw the seeds like this?
अरे नहीं, a seed is like a new student in the class. It needs a comfortable and proper place.
Come on, let me teach you the first step. First,
seed comfort and care. Now, make a tiny home for the seed, not too deep, not too shallow. Okay, I'll touch it very carefully, like it's something precious. Because it is precious, every plant starts with this quiet moment. Done. But now what? Will it grow by tonight? No, beta. Today, we just planted the seed. आज सिर्फ शुरुआत हुई है. Now we wait, we trust, we hope. And so, the seed is placed gently into its new home. Wrapped in soft soil, it rests quietly in the dark. There is no hurry, only patience and trust. With faith and care, the seed's journey begins.
To begin the seed's journey, our little helpers show us the most important step of all, a gentle beginning filled with care and patience. Let's welcome Gayatri Dal as they present sowing the seed.
चल यार, क्या लिख रहा है? मिट्टी की चिट्ठी। तू भी लिख। रूखी है, सूखी है, हमसे ज़्यादा दुखी है। कुछ भी ना कहती, सब कुछ ये सहती है। पूछा क्या तूने कभी मिट्टी का हाल, जिससे बना तो किया उसका ख्याल। अरे लिख दे तू,
कुछ नहीं मांगे किसी
Here I am. Here I am, the first train. Nana Sasi, apna dil kholo and enjoy this gift. And his little dog, hurray, hurray, and full of life. लगता है जैसे और मुझे warm hug दे रहे हो. I'm here to help you wake up. मैं तुम्हें वो पानी दूंगी जो तुम्हें चाहिए. You don't have to do anything. बस मुझे तुम्हें nourish करने दो. I feel lighter. जैसे मैं एक लंबी peaceful sleep से जग रहा हूँ. Thank you Ray, तुम्हारी kindness ने मुझे strength दी to begin this journey and reach for the sky. Yes, little seed, तुम जरूर grow करोगे because someone is looking after you. कभी-कभी kindness ही वो चीज होती है जो हमें अपनी journey start करने की हिम्मत देती है. I can feel myself changing. मेरे roots धीरे-धीरे soil के अंदर grow कर रहे हैं. It feels like a little song inside me. पानी ना रंग बेक के पानी ना रंग बेक के जो मुझे न्यू लाइफ से भर रहा है. Through kindness we awaken. With care and love the seed begins to awaken. Every seed needs kindness to wake it up. Here comes the magic of the first train, soft, caring, and full of life. Here, put your hands together for grade 3 fashion, music, rhythm, and rhythm. the soil. The seed has been waiting quietly. With care and patience, something new is about to appear. Let us watch as the tiny seed takes its first brave step towards the world above. Don't worry, little one. Sabar rakho. Slowly you will grow. Look at me. मैं बढ़ रहा हूँ. I'm a sprout now. I did it. मैं ज़मीन से ऊपर आ गया. I made it. Yeah, very good. Sprout. बस ऐसा ही. Keep growing. Keep growing. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाएगी. I'm small. One day I will be taller, sharper, and stronger.
फ्रेम में आ रहा है वो.
From a tiny seed comes out a brave sprout. With courage and care, it rises little by little, giving time and love. Every small beginning grows into something strong.
With patience and care, the seed gathers courage to rise above the soil. Watch how tiny beginning turns into a brave new step. Here comes great tree cuckoo with the joy of sprouting.
Parents are requested to please watch our story.
समंदर अपना पर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ झाड़ के सारे छप्पर हट समंदर अपना पर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ झाड़ के सारे छप्पर खोल पर खोल पर खोल पर खोल पर खोल
Body with you.
चले जैसे हवाएं सनम सनम, उड़े जैसे परिंदे गगन गगन।
एक के पास से नहीं हो सकता है। मेरे को तो 200 नंबर सर ने दिया ना।
Parents, it's a humble request. Please maintain silence.
मेरी चेयर उधर रखो, इधर एक चेयर रखो।
And the crowd grows stronger. It begins to look upward, not in a hurry, not in a race, but with a quiet wish to move towards hope and light. Let us watch and how learning the right direction helps this crowd grow every day. Papa, the bush was so tiny, and today its leaves look bigger. Huh, Beta? That's because it's learning to grow upwards, towards the light, towards hope, towards a better tomorrow. Just like we all grow by learning good values every day. पर इतना उत्तर कैसे पहुंचता है? प्लान है, पर वो उसका सिर्फ हाइट का मतलब नहीं है। इसका मतलब होता है कि कोशिश करना, मेहनत करना और कभी हार ना मानना। मैं भी छोटा हूँ, पर मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ और करता रहूँगा। लाइट की तरफ, गुड थिंग्स की तरफ, हर दिन थोड़ा सा। लुक एट इट, स्मॉल but focused। बिल्कुल मेरी तरह। मैं कितना फोकस हूँ ना पढ़ाई को लेकर? Exactly. When you move in the right direction, you will progress and will be successful. कल थोड़ा मैं पढ़ता जाऊँगा। Growing tall is not just about height, it's about sharing and caring. Growing is not about rushing, it's about choosing the right direction. Let's see how this cloud learns to reach for light, hope and values. A warm welcome to Grade 3, Starling.
ऊंचे रहे चलना पूछना पूछ के चलना मरना जीना मर के जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना गिरना उठना उठ के चलना चढ़ जा अंबर सीना सीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं मुझे रास्ता बनना है मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है
Now, it is the time to open up, to bloom and share the world its beauty. Look, मैं खिल रहा हूँ. My leaves are unfolding, reaching for a sun. Each one brings me closer to becoming a meant to be. And now, you have started to look beautiful. I'm always there with you. Every drop I give makes you stronger and you shine even brighter. Every challenge makes you stronger and you become more resilient. Together we thrive. Bilkul, these beautiful flowers are your reward and a gift for everyone. तुमने मेहनत की है और आज दुनिया तुम्हारी मेहनत का फल देख रही है. वाह, मुझे कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. My leg is stretched, grow and show the world where you really am. मैं अपनी खूबसूरती सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. Thank you, Rain. See, Twitter has become a bird that is bear fruits. I'm always there with you, and it's my pleasure to be a part of your journey. Every petal, every leaf shows my story. I'm proud of what I'm going to become. Growing tall is not just about height, it's about sharing and caring.
After learning, growing and believing comes the most beautiful moment. The moment to bloom and share our gifts with the world. Please welcome our young performers of grade 4 as they celebrate blooming with joy.
सारी उम्र मर मर के जी ले एक पल तो हमें जीने दो जीने दो सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो जीने दो ना 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 गाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी। लिख लिख कर पढ़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा बचपन जला डाला।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
Can you fight me, little plant? Let's see how strong you really are. Feel my power, feel my fury.
Oh, the wind is so strong, but I won't give up. My roots are deep. I will hold on. Come on, little one. तुम गिरने नहीं वाले हो. Stand tall, stand strong. We are there with you. Don't lose hope and stand strong.
Can you stand firm when I from all sides. I will shape you from root to tip. मेरी हर गश्त तुम्हें झुका देगी.
I will stand tall. You can't defeat me. My roots are deeper. Hold on, little one. You are not alone. The storm is only testing your strength, your courage. Trust your power, trust your roots. And I am always there to wash away your fear and soothe you after the storm. Relax. Take a breath. The storm has passed. Now rise and shine. You are stronger than you know. Every gust that hits you makes you more powerful. I know soon you will reach a beautiful destination. Storms may bend us, but they do not have to break us. After strong roots, faith and support, we learn to stand tall. Every challenge makes us braver, stronger and ready for the next step. Life is not always calm. Sometimes storm tests our strength and courage. Let us see how strong roots and belief help us stand tall. Get ready for a powerful performance by Grade 4 Falcon.
रुक जा रे बंदिया, ये रात जरा सी है, बात समझ बंदिया, कुछ देर ही बाकी है. रख यकीन आँखों से बादल, आज हट जाएगा. चांद तेरी आँखों में बंदिया चल के आएगा. मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक ले जाना, हर कतरा बोलना. मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक ले जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा.
Your strength is truly inspiring and you have motivated everyone. I came to shake you, but instead you stood tall.
Thank you, tree, for giving us your tasty fruits and for keeping the nature balanced. You also stop natural disasters. Absolutely right. Your fruits are sweet and full of life. We will enjoy your fruits. These fruits are for everyone. Take them, enjoy them.
You have done very well and you have become more than you could all have imagined.
True success is not only about growing tall, it's about sharing and caring.
It gives us immense pleasure to welcome our beloved director ma'am, Mrs. Aanchal Saini Solis, whose vision and dedication continue to guide our school towards excellence. True growth is shown when we give back with love and generosity. From patience comes sweetness, and from values comes service. Let's welcome Grade 4 Cuckoo as the journey celebrates the fruits.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशा है। हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशा है। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं दिल की उम्मीदें अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं दिल की उम्मीदें होगी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आशाएं दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेगी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेगी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो, ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग। आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो
वरच्या लोक नाव इंदोर जाते पाछा कमी रे
A journey that began with a tiny seed has now grown into something powerful. What once lay hidden in the soil now stands tall before us.
My children, look carefully. छोटा सा बीज और देखो एक महान पेड़ बन गया है. From the tiny seed, a great tree has grown. Earlier it was just one seed.
And is it similar to us? Growing, learning, becoming stronger?
हाँ बेटा, जब हर अच्छाई के बीज को प्यार से पालन पोषण किया जाता है, तब वो एक मजबूत और खूबसूरत पेड़ बन जाता है. It carries not just life, but values like trust, courage, kindness, responsibility, resilience, generosity, and unity.
So how do we grow like this tree?
By standing tall in challenges, being kind and generous, और हमेशा एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते रहना, that is how we become strong. Like this tree.
So if we wish through the efforts, wish all of that?
Exactly. Every small care, every step you take helps grow the values inside you.
हम भी स्ट्रॉन्ग और अच्छे बनने चाहते हैं जैसे ये पेड़.
और तुम बनोगे. Because inside each of you is a seed waiting to grow, waiting to bloom, waiting to become something beautiful. Promise me, you will carry these values in your thoughts, your words, and actions.
We promise to carry these values with us throughout our lives. Every great tree begins as a small seed, and every child carries a seed of goodness within. When we nurture trust, we show the world our beauty. What began as one small seed has now grown into a forest of values. Please welcome Grade 4 Starling with the powerful message of the forest of values.
તમારા બાજુ ટીચર બેઠી જાય ને કેવું ને બચ્ચા લોકોનો અવાજ અંદર જાય છે ભાભી.
छोड़ा है जहान नीचे मैं
color and fracture light. You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire on your body while you're pushing on me. Put you in your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to baby, won't sleep. Drama, kiss your body, body. Set fire on your body while you're pushing on me. Put you in your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to baby, won't sleep. Drama, kiss your body, body.
ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇ ਰੰਗ ਬਰਸਾ ਰੋਈ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਸੇ ਲਿਪਟ ਗੁੱਲ ਜਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਡੋਰ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਖੋਣਾ ਕਿਨਾਰਾ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਫੀਨਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਪਾਰ ਲਗੇ ਬਹੇ ਕੋਈ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜੇ ਧਾਰੀ ਚੁੜੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੂੰ ਸਜੇ
Pushing on me, don't you want your body? I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to baby, don't sleep. Drama, kiss your body, body. Don't you want your body? Pushing on me, don't you want your body? I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to baby, don't sleep. Drama, kiss your body, body. Don't you want your body? Pushing on me, don't you want your body? I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to sleep, don't sleep.
What an energetic performance! As we come to the end of today's performances, we reflect on our theme, from soil to soul. Through each act, we saw how values are like seeds nurtured with care. They grow into strong trees of character. Our students beautifully portrayed growth, patience, and responsibility, reminding us that when values take root, they shape not just the individuals, but the world around us. Give a big round of applause for our speech today. As we reach the final moments of today's event, we come together for something truly special.
Yes, this evening concludes with a musical tribute to the legends who have left us in the recent years. Individuals whose voices, creativity and passion shape generation and continue to live on through their art.
This choir performance is a tribute not just to legendary singers or musicians, but to all the visionaries who shaped our world, the filmmakers, industrialists, political leaders, creators of Film City, fashion designers and soldiers who served our nation with courage and honor.
As we conclude today's event, we invite you to reflect, remember and celebrate lives that continue to resonate through music.
So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the choir team for the final performance of the evening.
appreciate the effort and dedication of our talented students with a big round of applause.
To us, leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking those in your charge. These words truly reflect the spirit of our school principal ma'am, whose guidance and care continue to inspire us all.
With that thought, we are honored to invite our esteemed principal ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Gave, whose dedication and leadership continue to guide and motivate us. Please join us in welcoming our beloved principal ma'am.
આવા તો જોયું એને કોણ હા જોયું મેં પાંચ બેક
A very, I won't say warm, but a lovely evening to all my dear parents. A loud round of applause for yourself first for being a wonderful world. Good evening to our dear director ma'am, Mrs. Sachi Seri Soros, who is present among us to grace the occasion. All my dear parents and of course my lovely students. Before I begin anything, I would want you to put your hands together for my lovely conquerors who are so confident on the stage. I can understand. A loud round of applause for Lavanya and Shivan. When I was walking the steps, though I have been speaking for so many years as a teacher, as a principal, but still the heart pounds. But they were flawless. And so that's what we say. This is what we are trying to build, and we're very happy that we are successful in it. Thank you, dear students. Coming to the theme of this year, roots of virtues and wings of wisdom. And of course the theme from soil to soul. Kids, we all know parents, we hardly get some time with our children and especially on the dining table. But most of us are busy with our iPads or mobiles, scrolling the reels, and actually how many of us value the food that we eat? We hardly do that, right? We all agree? Right? So that is what we are trying to teach our students. The food that we eat is extremely precious, and today through this theme we try to show how it is extremely precious thing and what kind of hard work has been put in by our farmers from the small seed to begin from the soil and to reach our souls. It's not just that. Through this theme we also try to show something else, that is the character building. The soil represents our culture, our values, and the discipline which we instill among our students. It is the grounding that happens in the classroom and occasionally, sometimes in the principal's office too, which we rarely call the parents or the students. This grounding is very important, and this is from the soil to the soul that we talk about character building. We just don't want to produce human calculators or human encyclopedias. We want to create real human beings who are compassionate, resilient, and wise. In this age of instant gratification, parents, we want everything fast. 5G speed, 10 minutes grocery, Swiggy, Blinkit, and instant success. But wisdom and character is slow cooked. It's like that dum biryani. Dum biryani धीरे धीरे पकती है तो वो अच्छी होती है, right? So you can't download character from the app, and you certainly can't Google the experience that our children witness and they feel here. This theme also resonates very closely with our school logo. I hope you all have seen our school logo. It is a small bud. That is what we are trying to do. Be small. We are just sowing the seeds. We are trying to plant, we are trying to nurture them, and we are very sure tomorrow, in the future, these small buds are definitely going to go into beautiful trees full of character, full of wisdom, and definitely make us as well as you very proud. With this, I am really very happy with the performances that my students have given here. This was a difficult theme to understand, but they have understood the theme and represented it very well. Thank you so much. At this moment, I would also like to thank a lot of people here. But yes, before that, I really wish, I'm very happy to welcome our director, Mrs. Achal Senisoros, who is amongst us. And we will really request you, ma'am, to speak a few words. Ma'am doesn't like to give speeches, which we know. But yes, something which is heart to heart. So ma'am, please, we request you to please speak a few words to our parents. Thank you dear parents for being wonderful ones.
गुड इवनिंग पेरेंट्स। मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैम ने इतना अच्छे से सब बोल दिया, इतना अच्छा समझा दिया, सो इतनी अच्छी स्पीच मिल गई, अब मैं क्या स्पीच दूँ इसके लिए। तो बट आई होप आपने इवनिंग एंजॉय की, जितने हमारे बच्चों ने एंजॉय की। आई कुड सी ऑन देयर फेसेस दे वर एंजॉयिंग द परफॉर्मेंसेस, सो आई होप आपने भी उतना ही एंजॉय किया। आई वॉज ऑल्सो एंजॉइंग। अनफॉर्चुनेटली और टाइम नहीं आ पाई, नहीं देख पाई बिकॉज ऑफ सम वर्क कमिटमेंट्स. But I had promised the team that I will definitely come and we will watch the show together. Tomorrow also I'll be there. And thank you parents, it was really wonderful. I hope aapko acha laga. They have really put in a lot of hard work. The students have put in a lot of hard work, and this time the theme, yes, very different, very heart touching. And very well put together, I must say. It is very heart touching. So बहुत अच्छा लगा. And so parents, मैं सुबह से एक ही क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली जब आ रही हूँ, मैं एक ही क्वेश्चन अगेन एंड अगेन सब पेरेंट्स को बोल रही हूँ, पूछ रही हूँ. एंड जो पेरेंट्स पहले देख चुके हैं हमारा शो, शायद उनको आंसर भी पता होगा. सो मैं ही बता देती हूँ, रहने दो, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती ही नहीं होगी. 26-27, the coming academic year 26-27 is a very special academic year because we are completing 10 years of our journey. GCC International School. 10 years. 2016 we started GCC International School, and now 2026, 1,000 plus students. And this year is going to be very special because we are going to, we're going to reimagine ourselves again. A lot of changes in the coming academics, in the coming curriculum. The pedagogy is going to change a lot. But at the end of the day, all the decisions that will be made, one thing which will not change is definitely the care for our students and the thought of our students. Every decision will be taken only and only to benefit our students, and a very child-centric approach is what the school will be moving towards. Other than that, a lot of expansion also in place. I don't want to speak too soon about it, but yes, GCC International School will grow further. Hopefully, we will also grow till 11th and 12th, and that will be, we'll see how the NEP also rolls in. A lot of policies and government procedures also that we have to keep in mind. But thank you parents, especially those parents who've been with us since the very beginning. 10 साल से जिन्होंने हमारी जर्नी देखी है. Small steps now coming into big dreams. And I hope we continue this journey. आपका साथ मिलेगा. If you will be with us, walking hand in hand, we will have a beautiful journey together. And at the end of the day, our goal is the same. कि हमारे बच्चे जो हैं, they come out as beautiful human beings. That's it. अभी आपको ज़्यादा बोल नहीं करूँगी. Thank you for your time. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am. This was heart-to-heart conversation. That is what I can say. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your thoughtful and inspiring words with us. On behalf of our GCC International School, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed school management for their invaluable support and assistance in making this event a reality. Their contributions have been crucial in ensuring that this event is a success.
We are grateful to our director, ma'am, Mrs. Anshul Saini Sovis. Under your visionary direction, our school has continued to thrive, fostering an environment of growth, learning, and excellence. We are truly grateful for your dedication to not only academic success but also the well-being and development of each student. Thank you for being an inspiring and steadfast leader.
We would also like to thank our school managing trustee, Sir, Mr. Garfield Soares, for his continued support. Our principal, ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Gowde, for being our guiding light. Our principal, ma'am, our vice principal, ma'am, Mrs. Sushmi Vinay, our primary in charge, Mrs. Nikita Durgale, ma'am, our primary grade in charges, and our parents. We are grateful for your continued support and for joining us this evening. I would also like to thank our hardworking teachers and the heads of the school who organized this event with proper planning and executed it with excellence.
Lavanya, as I told you, this will be the most memorable event of our life. All this would have been not possible without the presence of such a great audience. A big thank you to our parents. We are grateful for your continued support and for joining us this evening. Thank you for being the awesome parents that you are. To our incredible students for their hard work and dedication in bringing this performance to life. You have truly touched our hearts with your voices, and we are so proud of each one of you.
We would also like to acknowledge our choreographers whose guidance and support have helped our students through their rehearsals.
A huge thank you to all our non-teaching staff, admin, IT, and ancillary staff who worked in and out for this event. Without your support, nothing would be possible.
We pray for your blessings with all humility. Give us the wisdom to make this country a better place, to evoke feelings of patriotism and remind you of the nation's glory and beauty. I request you all to stand up in respect to our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय।
Everyone for joining us on this memorable annual function. May the values we celebrate today stay with us always and inspire us to grow with integrity, courage, and joy.